In this world that is full of what's in and what's out, what's in for you? We all want to feel good about how we look. It's about finding a style that reflects who we are, that makes us feel confident and comfortable. Whether it's a bold statement or a quiet confidence, we believe everyone deserves to express their unique beauty and identity through their personal style. That's why we're here, to empower men and women to showcase their own identity and beauty through style.
Well, style gave me confidence in a way that highlights my best features, while also embracing and even showcasing what I considered my insecurities.
Styling helped me to show who I am as a person without having to explain myself.
Wearing good clothes and styling myself made me into something I want to be, or what I want people to see.
For Sophia, it wasn't just about looking good, it was about feeling empowered. Style became her armor, a shield against self doubt, a spotlight on her strengths. It allowed her to embrace her imperfections, transforming them into unique facets of her beauty. For Patrice, it was about authenticity. Her clothes weren't just a costume, they were a canvas expressing her personality, her passions, her very essence. She didn't need words because her style spoke volumes. And for Rena, it was a transformation, a conscious creation of the image she wanted to project to the world. It wasn't about conforming, it was about crafting her identity, shaping her narrative, one carefully chosen garment at a time. Their stories are different, their paths unique, but their journeys share a common thread: the power of style to shape self perception, to build confidence, and to unlock the potential within. It's not about trends, it's about self expression. It's not about perfection, it's about authenticity. It's about discovering the radiant individual you were always meant to be. The journey begins with a simple question: who am I? It's a search for self, reflected in the mirror, in the clothes we choose, in the way we present ourselves to the world. We started with hesitant steps, experimenting with colors, textures, and silhouettes. Each garment's become a brushstroke on the canvas of our identity. Of course, there are moments of uncertainty, styles that don't quite fit. But through trial and error, through the exploration of different aesthetics, a personal style emerges. It's a process of self-discovery, a conversation between the inner self and the outer world. It's about understanding what makes us feel comfortable, confident, and truly ourselves. It's not a destination, but a continuous evolution, a dynamic reflection of our ever-changing selves. And in that journey of self-expression, we find not only a style, but also a stronger, more authentic version of ourselves.
Through Shutter and Smile, I showcase my style.
Shuttle and Smile helped me to gain a confidence through the style.
Through Shutter and Smile, I've been given an opportunity to highlight my identity through style.
We're more than just a brand. We're a community who believes in the power of self-expression. Let your style tell your story through Shutter and Smile.